cannot believe I hooked up to the wrong mic today. Oh my God. None of the audio came through. I'm embarrassed, but I really couldn't just leave you guys hanging. So we're going to jump in here. We're going to get this thing started. We're going to work to it. You're going to listen to some music and watch me tear this thing apart. Oh, it stunk so bad when we popped that, or when I popped that cap off. What's crazy though is that Steven had just changed it probably 3 weeks ago to see if he could see anything, and I'm running my finger around the magnet there, and there's just a ton of metal shavings, and you'll see why here in just a few minutes. What the torque specs are for these things, but had to get out the big bar to get them taken off. Definitely always check that when you're going to put this stuff back together. See the heat that's built up in these compared to the other side there. This little bolt here is a 5/16. Sorry, I didn't have it recording again. Used a little screwdriver there to knock down the center pin, and then spun the axle to get it to pull out. These little C-clips were so hard because of the locker setup in the axle. You couldn't get a pair of pliers down in there to grab it as it came around. So I actually had to wedge 2 small screwdrivers together to get it to pull out, and that was even a pain in the butt. So sorry I didn't get any video of that. If you watch real close and my screen is, or my camera's still there, you can see how the C-clip will slide across across it there. So good luck when you're trying to pull them things out. All right, so right here, this clip was actually 3.5 minutes long. I've shortened it up. That's how long it took me to not even get it out. Here, I'm just giving you a quick shot of the axle. There's a little part there that has some, looks like it was a sticker at one point. Oh snap, guys. So excited. I must have plugged the microphone back in. So now we have a little bit of sound here. So I'm going to get off of this microphone and let you guys enjoy the video the way it's supposed to have been the whole time. Here we go. Wow. You can definitely see how hot the bearing got on that side compared to any discoloration on this side here. Definitely over here. What surprises me is and I don't know enough about these, but surely there was something that went right here. Went around that hole. So we'll find out what that is. I would say something needs to go right here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that's coming, and we have a ton of stuff coming in the very near future. Thanks again. See you soon. Right here.